Most of the setup for your business page is completed during the onboarding wizard. You can return to these settings at any time. Along with business details, business location, fulfillment methods, and payment methods that were set up during onboarding, the business page also includes order settings, social media links, and FAQs. In the order settings section, each field includes an info icon next to its label. Hover over or select this icon to see a clear explanation of what each setting controls. Many of these settings are also pre-filled with default values, which you can adjust to better match your business needs. In the social media links section, you can add links to your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages. When added, these links appear in the footer of your Bakebug shop. In the FAQs section, you can create, edit, and reorder common questions your customers may have. These will appear on a dedicated FAQ page in your Bakebug shop.